Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with essentials. Make sure your Geo SIM is 5G capable and your phone has the latest OS and carrier updates. Once done, enable mobile data and keep battery above 20% so the process won't be interrupted. Now open Settings, then Network and Internet, and tap SIMs or Mobile Network. That's where the Geo profile lives. Take these steps now, because changing modes without updates can prevent 5G registration and cause dropped connections. Next, focus on the core settings. Under Mobile Network, pick Preferred Network Type and select 5G/NR or an LTE/5G automatic option so your phone can switch seamlessly. Then check APN. If it's missing, add a new APN using the Geo profile values, hostname APN. Geo. COM, because the APN tells the network how to route data. After saving, either restart the phone or toggle airplane mode to force a re-register. This ensures the updated profile is applied immediately. Finally, confirm you see the 5G icon and test data speed to verify performance. A quick speed test shows whether you're on a true 5G cell. If 5G doesn't appear, try reinserting the SIM and checking for carrier updates, and then reset network settings. These steps clear misconfigurations. If problems persist, contact Geo support with your IMEI and account info so they can check provisioning. This troubleshooting path avoids unnecessary device changes and gets you back on 5G faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.